Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope everybody's having an amazing day today. As you read by the title, we are doing a Secret Santa group get-together collab. I'm not really sure what we're calling it, but this was put together by Barbara's Beauty Bag. There are 20 of us, I believe, who participated in the Secret Santa. I will let you know that who I drew for Secret Santa was Sue from Glam Goat. She's wonderful. I have sent her a package in the past. I adore Sue. So do go over and check out what I got her. I will say that for me, I'm super excited at who was my Secret Santa. My Secret Santa was Dante James. I will put a picture in of him. I absolutely adore him. I love watching him. Him and JB just crack me up. He's phenomenal. So that is who I drew, or who drew me for Secret Santa. It came in this morning, and I'm ready to open it. So, Dante, thank you very much. I greatly appreciate it. I really do truly love your channel and content, as you know, because I comment on 96%, let's be real. But I love him. You will love him. Do go over and check out who his Secret Santa was. Barbara, this is such a great idea, especially for Christmas time. These do release out on Christmas Day, so Merry Christmas, everybody. I hope that your Christmas and holidays are filled with some type of cheer in the year 2020, and it's almost over, guys. I hope 2021 is so much better. I know it's been rough, but we're all pulling through it, and for the ones that haven't, my condolences, truly. But let's not get off on a sad subject at Christmas time. So I did pull out my Christmas sweater. If you have seen it from last year, this is it. It is one of my all-time favorite sweaters. You will see it through the month of December, along with my little thigh-high black boots. I do have my Christmas tree set up, my card from Base Blue Cosmetics, and then my card from Just Jessica. So I do plan on putting all of my cards around my tree this year so that you can enjoy them along with myself. So let's get in here and see what we got. I do know that he is in Pennsylvania, I think. The Hershey state, the chocolate state. I'm not a chocolate lover, but I do believe that's where he's from. He does live out in the country, basically like I do. And he's amazing. I can't say enough things about Dante. I absolutely love him. Oh, and this thing is taped to the max. Oh, I got it open. Okay. So inside, oh, it's got great presentation. This is what it looks like. It does have a little card along with white, red, and green paper. I hope those little glitters don't fall off, but if you are up to date on my channel, there's glitter all over this room, so it won't be that bad. The card says, "Stay beautiful, Becca." There is another Christmas card to add to my tree. It's cute. It says, "Happy day and happy holiday, beautiful Becca. I'm your Secret Santa. The square gift is your main gift, and I hope you love it. The other two are two cute gifts I thought you would love. Thank you for being a wonderful friend. I hope you and your family have a wonderful Christmas. Your Secret Santa, Dante James and JB." The card itself says, "May this holiday season bring you warmth and good cheer." I do hope it brings me warmth. I am in Arkansas, and it has already hit 20 degrees, so I am not a fan of the cold. But there is what my Christmas card looks like. I love the wood. We have been chopping wood for the fireplace, so you couldn't have picked a better card. So let's go ahead and get in here and see what my gifts are. I didn't think about doing that. Okay, so the big square one, I'm going to say is this one. They're all wrapped. That is so super cute. I wish my brain functioned like that. It doesn't. It does not function that way. And I've seen other people wrap their gifts and I think, oh, that's such a great idea. Did I do it? No. No, I didn't. Do I regret it now? Yeah, a little bit. But nonetheless, great presentation. Okay. Oh, guys, it's a butterfly. I don't know if you know, if you watch my channel, my beautiful Bonnie, which is my dog, she's been gone for almost 3 years now. And I swear she comes back and talks to me in butterfly form, and being in the natural state, we get a lot of butterflies. So that's very special. We're going to take a minute so that I can collect myself. Okay. I do apologize for getting all mushy. It's just, I couldn't think of a better gift than this Dante. It will go on my wall, and I love it. I really, truly do. So that was my main gift that I absolutely love. Let's go ahead and open this one next. I try not to get emotional on my videos. Sometimes it does happen, and I do apologize for it, but you know, I'm human. And then he sent me some real mistletoe. We hang mistletoe as a sign of goodwill and to steal a kiss or two. Many a romance was started under the mistletoe branch. I love that. That's great. I will probably put this on the tree. I've never had real mistletoe. I do have a fake one, but that is super cute. That is what it looks like. And it will go on my tree for the rest of time. So, I like that too. Thank you very much. And then the last thing is in this little circular tube. And it's an ornament, ain't it? Oh, Dante, you just did wonderful. Oh, it's an ugly sweater glass ornament. That is what it looks like. It is super adorable. I am going to open this, and we are going to put it on the tree right now, along with that mistletoe. And yes, I realize I don't say mistletoe right. It's Becca lingo, so there is what that ornament looks like. It is so adorable. Okay, guys, let's stick this on the tree. Let's see. Where should you go? I'm going to stick that one right there. It's going to go right next to my little gypsers, which was my dog from Bonnie, who also passed away. And then I'm going to stick my mistletoe right up here. Okay, so that is super cute. Super, super cute. I love it. Dante, thank you so very much, honey. I am greatly impressed. Not a lot of people get me. I know that they watch my channel and we talk, even friends that don't get me as much as you just did. This will always hold a special place in my heart. Thank you. Really, truly, thank you. Barbara, thank you for putting this together. It was fantastic. I never did a Secret Santa gift exchange, so I enjoyed it. I enjoyed not only the gifts that I received, but I enjoyed the gifts that I gave. I hope Sue really enjoys what I got her, sent her. I, of course, took the time to think about my person and curate my gift around her. So that is my gifts from Dante. Please do go over, check out his channel. There is a playlist. I do need to say thank you to Michelle from A Day in the Life of Michelle. She is the one that is curating our playlist. So Michelle, thank you. There will be a playlist. If you're in this little group, please do take the time to go over and check out everybody's video. There's nothing more heartbreaking than to be in a group and not everybody comes and watches your video. And if you're watching this, take a few minutes and go see, you know. It puts a smile on somebody's face, or it might bring a tear to their eye. Either way, I promise it'll give you warm, gushy, fuzzy feelings. So Merry Christmas, everybody. Thank you all for your support and your love of not only me, but for my channel. And if you're here from a new channel, hi, I'm Becca. So glad to meet you. I hope you had a very wonderful Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. But that's it, guys. Until next time, I love you. Bye.